Hello and welcome to Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. This is your one-stop for all information on homeschooling and all its tricks that I am ready to reveal to you. So subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video or trick. Today we're going to talk about how to teach children time. Teaching children about time can be a challenging but rewarding task. Time is a complex concept that can be different for young children to grasp. But with patience, creativity, and the right approach, you can help them to understand the concept of time and develop a sense of time management. Start with the basics. Before you start teaching children about time, it is important to make sure they understand the basics. Understand basic units of time, such as seconds, minutes, and hours. This can be done through hands-on activities, such as building a simple clock with moving hands, or using a timer to count the seconds. Using visual aids. Children learn better when they can see what they are learning. Using clocks and calendars and other visual aids to help children understand the concept of time. For example, you can use a wall clock to show them the difference between a minute and an hour and how the hands move on the face of the clock. Teaching them about routines. Children thrive on routine and structure. Establishing a daily routine and explaining how it fits into the overall concept of time can help children understand the importance of time management. For example, you can explain that breakfast happens at a certain time each day and that bedtime is set at a certain time every night. Use real-life examples. Children learn best when they can relate to what they are being taught. Use a real-life example to help them understand the concept of time. For example, you can explain how long it takes to bake a cake or how long it takes to walk to the shops. Incorporate fun activities. Children are more likely to remember what they have learned if they are having fun. Incorporate fun activities such as playing games, singing songs, and doing crafts that can help reinforce the concept of time. For example, you can play a game where the children have to guess how long it takes to complete a certain task, such as brushing their teeth or putting on their shoes. Be patient. Understanding the concept of time can take time, so be patient and don't expect your child to grasp it all at once. Let them work through at their own pace and be there to support them along the way. Encourage independence. As a child gets older, encourage them to take responsibility for their own time management. This can include setting alarms and creating schedules. Using technology. Technology can be a great tool for teaching children time. There are many apps and websites designed specifically for children that can help understand the concept of time and develop good time management skills. Reinforce the concept. Make sure you reinforce the concept of time on a regular basis. This can include reviewing what they have learned, reminding them the importance of time management, and incorporating time-related concepts into everyday life. In conclusion, teaching children about time requires a lot of patience, creativity, and the right approach. By starting the basics of visual aids, incorporating fun activities, and reinforcing the concept, you can help your child understand the importance of time, developing time management skills that will serve them well into adulthood. And here are 20 example lessons on how to teach your children time. Number 1. Build a simple clock. Using cardboard and a paper plate, children can build their own clock and learn about the movement of the hands and how to read clock faces. Number 2. Telling time game. Play a game where children have to guess the time, such as, "What's the time, Mr. Wolf?" or "What time will it be in 20 minutes?" Number 3. Timed activity. Set a timer for a certain amount of time and challenge the children to complete a task, such as put away their toys or counting to 100. 100. Number 4, daily routines. Create a visual representation of a daily routine such as a chart or timeline to help children understand the concept of time in relation to their day. Number 5, time-related songs. Sing songs about time such as Itsy Bitsy Spider or This Old Man to help the children remember key concepts about time. Number 6, calendar activities. Teach children about days, weeks and months. By using a calendar, children can mark off their days and discuss special events or holidays. Number 7, time-telling worksheets. Use worksheets and printouts to help children practice time-telling, such as drawing on hands on a clock or matching time to events. Number 8, reading clocks. Practice reading clocks in real life, such as on a microwave, television, or wall clock, to help children understand the concept of time in their everyday life. Number 9, timed challenges. Create time challenges such as races or puzzles to help children understand the concept of time in a fun and interactive way. Number 10, story time. Use books or stories that include time concepts, such as Cat in the Hat, to help children understand the concept of time. Number 11, time-telling bingo. Create a time-telling bingo game where children have to match times to events, such as lunchtime or bedtime. Number 12, time-telling flashcards. Use flashcards with times written on them and help children practice telling time. Number 13, timed art projects. Set a timer for a certain amount of time and challenge the children to create a piece of art such as a drawing or making a collage. Number 14, time-related puzzles. Use puzzles or mazes to incorporate time concepts, such as matching times to events or putting events in order by time. Number 15, timed scavenger hunts. Create a timed scavenger hunt where children have to find items around the house in a certain amount of time. Number 16, time-related experiments. Use science experiments such as how long does it take to boil an egg or a balloon to deflate to help children understand the concept of time. Timed cooking projects. Cook a simple recipe with children and discuss how long it takes to prepare and bake food. Time-related videos. Watch videos about time, such as time-lapses videos or educational videos about telling time to help children understand the concept of time. Number 19, timed quizzes. Create a quiz or assessment to help children practice reinforce the concepts that they have learned about time. Number 20, time-telling apps. Use time-telling apps or websites such as an interactive clock or a virtual timer to help children practice time in a fun and interactive way. These lessons can be tailored to suit the age and understanding of the child. You are teaching and can be used as a starting point to help create your own lessons and activities. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that it was very informative. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell for more videos to help you become a better home educator. This is Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.